In this video, I'll show you how to set up the gain staging for a microphone. This is a Bose T8S ToneMatch mixer, and initially, to do this procedure, all you need is power to the T8S. This is a line out to a Model 2 power stand. That's a balanced cable, tip ring sleeve going out of the right channel, and here's a microphone line coming into channel 1. So when you first do this, you can have all the trims all the way off, and all the channels can be all the way off, and they can even be muted except for the one that you want to work with. I even have the master volume down because you don't need any audible sound to do the gain staging. Okay, so just to be clear, I'm setting channel edit for channel 1. That's the channel we're working on. That's where the microphone is. I'm going to start speaking loudly as I would in my show 1 2, or singing 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. I've turned it up until it's red. I see red flickers. That's way too hot. That's way too hot. So I'm going to turn that down until I've got solid green 1 2 3 4 5, but I don't see any red. So that's the ideal setting. And now I'll turn it up so you can hear it. I'm on channel 1. This is not muted. I'm going to turn up the volume, but because the master's still down, we don't hear anything. And now you can hear the Model 2 power stand in the background. 1 2 3 4 5, that's what I sound like. Okay, now for the next step, again, this can be muted, which I'm going to do right now, and I'm on the ToneMatch preset, and I'm going to turn the category knob to, which was on utility, to vocal mics. I'll choose that, and then by default it comes up handheld mics. Let me just turn that off. It comes up handheld mics, and I'm going to change this until I see the microphone that matches the microphone I'm using, which is an Electro-Voice ND767. Now, if I had a different microphone that wasn't in the list, I could just go with handheld mics and it would probably be fine. But since I've got a match, I'll use it. There it is, the Electro-Voice ND767. That's great. I'll choose select, and there it is. Now, I'll turn it up so you can hear it again. 1 2 3 4 5. That's with the preset in. If you're ever wondering, what is this preset doing for me, you can bypass it, which I'm going to do. I'll press the category button, 1 2 3 4 5, that's with it in. This is bypassed, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. And so you can hear the difference. It's a little difficult in this room because it's already a little echoey, but you'll hear the difference when you do it on your system. So that's it. We've set up the input trim so we get a solid green light. 1 2 3 4 5, it's never in the red. And then we've gone to the ToneMatch preset. We chose the category, which was vocal mics. And we turned the selector until we had the microphone that was the one that we're using, which is good. And then there it is. It's all done. Thanks for watching.